Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Wish on the Rocks. Today we are going to be doing another unboxing video. I got really positive reviews about my last one, and I've been waiting to open this box for well over a week now. And this one is actually from the sister shop of the last package I opened. This one here is from Mystic's Cabinet, also on Facebook. I already cut it open. Then I realized I didn't plug my microphone in, but I didn't touch anything yet. So, per the last video, I'm going to be inserting a video of what I'm doing down here, showing off the crystals a little closer, see if I can remember everything I got without having to use my little cheat sheet here. Just to be sure. Alright, so went through the awkward opening of the package. Get my camera ready down here. That might work. Alright, so first thing I had was these cute little stickers. Got a nice little volleyball and a really cute kitty cactus. Adorbs. Alright, so this one has actual packing peanuts. Just kind of throw them on the floor over here. And we'll get this started. Probably should not have painted my nails right before doing this. They're probably going to look atrocious by the end. Well, let's do it. Let's get into it. Alright, first thing we have here. This is an Azurite specimen. Let's see here. Possibly some malachite in there. Yep, I see some green down in there. That would be the malachite. Usually commonly grown together. So this beautiful little Azurite and malachite. Fantastic. Just start a line over here. Again, grab my knife, brought my knife with. But I'm going to insist on doing everything the hard way. Because why not? Ooh. Looks like I have a bracelet. Bloodstone. See a little bit of bloodstone resemblance here in the reds there. Very cute. I like the small beads. They don't irritate my wrist when I try to write something. Also have a pendant, a lovely snake, and although I'm not a fan of real snakes, I love the interpretation of snakes. Very, I don't know how to get that on the chain. Very cool. It's a beautiful engraved snake pendant. Came with a chain. I just can't get it on without a pair of pliers. Another bracelet. Mixed tourmaline. See some pink and green. That one's borderline watermelon tourmaline. Pink tourmaline is also referred to as rubellite. Where's that one? This one looks borderline watermelon-y. Really cool. Love the tumble chip bracelets. opal. Pretty sure. Really pretty blue opals. Really good variation in these two pieces here too. You got your vibrant dark blues and your bit more of a turquoise color there. Pretty sure that is blue opal. And I'm not going to take these out because these are mini spheres and I do not want to drop them everywhere. There's some really cute mini spheres. Looks like a variety. Anyway, carrying on. I've seen the bottom of this, so I think I already have a pretty good idea of what this is. It's in a perky box. And it is surrounded in tissue to keep it safe. So these are columnar calcite, columnar English. So we've got some column calcite here. Oh, my camera does not want to focus. Some really beautiful pieces though. So clear and icy. Love those. I'm going to try to not make this video 40 minutes long like my last one. But who knows? Ooh, is this what I think it is? Sure is. Vivinite. I had not heard of this before they put them on the show. And wow, are they cool. Like, the play on color there. I'm actually in the market for finding a bigger piece. I asked them if they could find more. I would definitely want to get more because that is, I love the greens in this. It is the coolest, and it looks like botryoidal growth there on the back and the matrix rock. Not 100% sure what the matrix of this would be. It's something I'm meaning to look further into since it was not something I was familiar with. But it is gorgeous. Vivinite. Oh, the bag with a bunch of little bags. Let's see. Oh, this is a sunstone moonstone cab. The schiller is really beautiful on that. I would love to learn how to wrap personally. I've wrapped a few pieces, but I'm definitely not the greatest. But this would look really good in a necklace, whether it's macrame or wire wrapped something. I really need to just learn how to do it so I can do it. And it looks like another cab here. Fire quartz. I think so. Fire quartz would be my guess on this one. Very wispy. I have such a thing for fire quartz and golden healer. Golden healer is one of my favorite stones. I've got 3 golden healer palms. I like to put them against my temples when I have headaches and just lay there. They're very soothing, or massage them in. I've got a little one because I have carpal tunnel and it's great to hold into the hand. So, ooh, mini Labradorite Flame. He's so cute. See if I can get the flash to come out on it. If I do remember, it was a little shy. But very pretty nonetheless. Sometimes bigger isn't always better. I love to have little pieces to fill in my collection, my display pieces. Helps level things out. I'm gonna have to play with it more later because I know there's some flash on it. It's just finding it. It's probably not the right lighting in here for it right now. Oh. This is a carved material. Again, usually I'm not much of a carved material fan. Flames and towers are one thing, but actual carved pieces. This is a Mandalorian skull, or skull helmet. Wow. And it's made out of obsidian. This was a request piece, so I was really happy they were able to get this in. It's actually a tribute piece, so really cool, really well done. I can't even zoom out to get it all on the camera at once, so maybe this will work better. Really good detail. Very clean piece. Very smooth. Alright. I do know I have at least two other carved pieces in this. One that everyone's been itching to see. Ooh. Looks like we have a moss agate DT. Oh, that sticker's not going to come off very cleanly, but yes, it's pretty. I love, 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 love sticking flashlights behind agates, especially moss agate, and seeing all the lakes and like the little veins in there. It is super cool. And we got a little cave. Thought I saw another cave. No, but there's a really nice window. Let's see if it focuses. You can see in there. Oh, come on. Really nice lakes in this one. Okay, moving on. Don't want to break anything. Another moss agate. This time being a disc. What did I get last time? I had a moss agate tower and a moss agate sphere. Now I got the moss agate DT and the moss agate disc or coin, however you want to look at it. It's actually drilled, so I could make it into a pendant with minimal effort. I wouldn't have to wrap this one. But very cool piece of moss agate here. Can't really see the light through it on there. Let's see if that works. Nope, just drowns it out. You can see right through it. All the clear little lakies. About this piece. So I have another carved piece that I forgot about. This is a cute little fluorite Batman dude. Cute little purple fluorite Batman. Na 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 na. Any twig. Actually got that one as a gift. And pink Tourmaline, aka Rubelite. I love having diversity. Really nice rods in these. So, pink Tourmaline and Matrix. Did pretty good with these. Malachite. Velvet. No. Possibly. Velvet or moving eye. Sometimes it's really hard telling the difference. The fanning on the back. Love that. I love the different variations you can get of malachite. Really cool piece, especially when it's with like chrysocolla or azurite. It's amazing to see how different it grows with everything, and when the colors crash, with azurite being dark blue and chrysocolla is typically a lighter blue. Oof. Next we have a fossil. These are ammonites. Looks like, ooh, ochre. It almost looks like fossilized coral on the outside here, and the light transfers through it. Really nice opalization on the back. Well, what is there for the back? Very brittle material, so the color play there. And then you can see here that patterning looks like fossilized coral.